There, darlings. Olive settling in. You're settling in, Olive. There you are, Elijah. There you are, darling Elijah. My Wonder White. Mummy's bird, Elijah. There you are. You're happy now with little Ruby Rose, sweetheart. That's nice. And there's your brother down there. There's your brother. Elisha has managed to hook up with an older lady, Joan. Finally got you two together. There you are, Joan. There, precious. There you are. You chase after that Joan, darling. You chase after that Joan. There she is. Oh, there you go. There you are. You chase after that Joan. Oh, you're going to be chased out of there. You've got to get Joan to come down to you. You're watching all this, Olive. You're watching it all, Olive. What's your story, darling? What's your story, little Olive? What's your story, darling? It's all too much for you. Were you just abandoned? Nobody wanted you. Nobody came looking for little Olive. Oh well, at least you were handed in. And now you've got some nice new friends in a nice safe place with food and water and everything else. There you go. Here are you two, cuddling up again. My Ruffy and Fluffy. There's those teenage sons of yours are kicking up a storm. Those teenage Romeos of yours are kicking up a storm. And so is that little daughter of yours, Ruby Rose. Oh, here you are. Hello, darling. Hello, my Elisha. You're still my Elisha Wonder White. You're on Mummy's head, darling. You've got a nice wife now. I think you've got a nice wife. There you are, darling. There you are, darling. Here, my Elisha. Hello, my Elisha. Hello, my Elisha. Where are you going, my Elisha? You get hold of that Joan. Get that Joan down again. You get Joan down again. You've got to get her down. No use relying on Mummy, darling. You get that nice Joan down. Uh-oh. There's Job going to chase you away. And Elizabeth's not too happy either. Poor David definitely isn't. He doesn't want you over there. There you are, darlings. This is the goings on in the house. How are you going, Olive? How are you going, little Olive? Hello, little precious little Olive. What are you doing, darling? You're watching it all. You're watching it all happening all around you. What's your little story, sweetheart? Precious little bird. Were you at somebody's wedding and they let you go and didn't bother to find you. Or we're at somebody's funeral and you just flew away and nobody bothered to try and find you, darling. Well, what happened? What happened, darling? Oh, well, whatever happened, you came to the right place. You were handed in. I wonder how many of your little lot get lost in the line of duty. Little money-making machines, that's all you are, darling. Precious little lambs. Oh, come along, Elijah. No X-rated over there. We don't want X-rated. I don't think we can have it. Hello, Fluff. Hello, darling. You're listening to your children. There, Ruffy. There you are, all your children around you. Hello, darling. Hello, Felicity. You're number one. Hello, darlings. Hello, precious. Hello, precious. We've got to get a name for you, darling. We've got to get a name for you. Yes, you're the last. Job and Judith, you're the last one. No more bubbies for them. I don't think we could call you Lucky Last. That'd be a bit much. There you are. You're watching, darling. You're watching. You're watching, little one. Okay? You're watching there, Olive. You're a gentle little Olive. You're a little gentle one. You're probably at somebody's wedding. Was it a wedding or a funeral? Or a memorial? What was it, darling? You'd know. You'd know what it was. Precious lamb. Or you may not know what it was. Or you'd know that something was going on and you didn't like it. Didn't understand it. There, darling. You're very, very gentle. All white, not one black. There, darling. There you are, Olive. There you are. Oh, Elisha. Now you're chasing Olive. I thought you were after Joan. There you go. There, darlings. You call that Joan down. Quick. Come on, Joan. There's that teenage Romeo interested in you. There you are, precious. All right. We've got to get a name for you too, darling. Haven't got a name for you yet. I think we'll have a naming day, all right? There's your mummy and daddy. And my llamas. My beautiful llamas. You're gone, but you're not forgotten, darling. My True and my Moses. And my Lige and my Lies. My Felicity. And my Fellow. And my girls. And Bubbas. No, you're not forgotten, darling. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, little Olive. Come along. There you are. Where are you going to sleep tonight, darling? You'll have to find yourself a little section. All right? Find yourself a little section to sleep in. Oh, look at this. Here's our Elisha. You go and get that Joan. Don't stand here looking at Mummy. You get after that Joan. There's your brother's got a nice young wife. There you are, darlings. All right. Okay. All right, darling. There you are, Olive. Leave it on you, Olive, okay? Here you are, darling. All right. There you go. Enjoy. Enjoy, darling. There you are. There's that Joan. Come on, get her down. Get her down. Get her down. There you are, darling. Oops. Oh, dear me. Enough's enough. There, precious. All right. You're the first troublemakers. Bye now.